In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Hostinger email account. Whether you're looking to streamline your inbox or simply clean up unused accounts, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to log in to your hPanel account. This is your control center for managing all things related to your Hostinger services, so getting this step right is crucial. If you're not sure where to find your login details, it's usually the same information you used when signing up with Hostinger. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with lots of options. Next, it's time to navigate over to the Emails section. You should spot this in your main dashboard menu. This section is specifically designed for managing all of your email-related tasks, including setting up new email addresses and, of course, deleting existing ones. Click on it, and you'll enter a screen displaying all email-related services and domains you have purchased or set up with Hostinger. Now, you need to select the email plan or domain where your mailbox resides. This is important because, especially for those managing multiple domains, you'll need to ensure you're working in the right area. Click on the domain or plan linked to the email account you wish to delete. After you're in the correct email area, you'll see a list labeled Mailboxes or Email Accounts. This is where every email account attached to your domain is listed. Browse through the list to locate the exact email you want to delete. Take your time to ensure you select the right one, as this action is irreversible. To proceed with the deletion, look for the ellipsis symbol, which appears as 3 vertical dots next to the email address. This inconspicuous icon is a gateway to more actions, and by clicking it, you'll reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, choose the Delete option. A prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm this decision. This additional step is your final safeguard against accidentally deleting the wrong account. Confirm your choice, and with that, the email account will be permanently erased from your records. And there you have it. Deleting a Hostinger email is as straightforward as following these steps. Remember, once an email is deleted, it's gone for good, along with any data associated with it, so double-check before confirming the deletion. If you have any concerns about losing important emails, you might consider backing them up first. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for managing your email accounts with ease. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your online experience.